These are the visuals from Bihar's East Champaran district from September 17th. Hundreds of women queued up, braving the inclement weather to get jabbed. Bihar set the record of vaccinating the highest number of people on September 17th, the day Prime Minister turned 71. 33 lakh people were administered vaccine doses as mega vaccine drives were organized across the state. In fact, Bihar is now inching close to the target set up by Nitish Kumar government of vaccinating 6 crore people in 6 months. Republic spoke to Bihar Health Secretary on the feat achieved by the state and its roadmap going ahead.
This CoWIN portal app, if you look at it, it gives a clear picture like a sort of vote counting is going on and a sort of healthy competition among the states is also going on. Sometimes Karnataka had pipped you up in between the evening hours, and again Bihar was leading from the front. So in a way, it has motivated the entire country and the government administration in a way, and the result was there for all of us to see that more than 2 crore people were vaccinated for the first time across the country.
Absolutely, it's very true, and thanks to our Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan sir, and this sense of healthy competition which we have amongst each other. Ultimately, the nation wins, and that is the spirit. And at around 8 o'clock, Karnataka was ahead by 1,000 or odd. And that is the way the team is working, and finally we were able to come to the first position. But positions are important, but what, according to me personally, was very significant, that 5-6 states, we were so close to each other, and ultimately the nation got something like a 2.5 crore vaccination doses on a single day. Therefore, if nation overall wins, I think that is what is important for us.
Of 6 crore vaccination by December, but it seems already you have touched 5 crores. And what is the target that new target that you have set up for December?
I mean, the Honorable Chief Minister had launched this special campaign, 6 months, 6 crore doses on 21st June. Yes, as of now, we are almost there at 5 crore mark. Very, very significant milestone for us, because if you see the progress of vaccination from 21st June, it's a very big milestone for us, and definitely it's very encouraging. And all I can tell you today is we are looking forward to finish this mission much before the targeted date.
So you plan to, if at all the government of India decides, and if there is a directive, then below 18 years of age would also be vaccinated in the same way?
Yeah, see, this entire campaign revolves around 2 fundamental things. One is the availability of doses, which we are getting regularly from Government of India, and we have got a lot of support from them, and we are very confident that in coming 15 days, 20 days, we will get a lot of additional doses. So this is one factor, and the second factor is the number of session sites which we have to plan, including the manpower. So I don't see any challenge now.
Now, as COVID cases show signs of ebbing, fears still loom large of a possible third COVID wave. The State Health Secretary says the medical infra has been ramped up and all facilities are in place if the state sees a sudden surge of COVID cases.
Actually, we attribute it to the enthusiasm of people. We saw in a lot of districts how people were braving the rains. They were standing in the queue, especially the women. So there is nothing called vaccine hesitancy. And what we strategized was, in the initial phases, we targeted the urban areas. The urban areas because they were the nerve points for COVID infections in both the phases. So therefore our numbers were slightly less in the beginning. Now, having saturated most of the urban areas, we have crossed 100% in many of the districts, and overall urban areas by and large we have saturated the first dose. Now we are going full hog for the rural areas, and this Maha Abhiyan, this was the second Maha Abhiyan. The first one we tested our strength, our capacity on 31st August. That day we crossed 27 lakhs. Yesterday we crossed 30 lakhs, notwithstanding the challenges. And I'm sure by this evening, by 5 p.m., our numbers would be somewhere around 31 lakhs.
Bureau Report, Republic TV.